number 4, and as you can see, we are well on our way to Puerto Rico right now. Now we haven't quite made it, but you can see land already, so we have to be pretty close to docking. I'm excited and a little bit nervous for today because I'm doing a mojitos and mofongo tour, and I'm a little nervous. So every trip that I go on, I always try to do something that is going to challenge me, and I am terrified of bananas. In today's trip, I'm going to do a cooking class which has plantains, which in my mind is the same thing as bananas, so we're going to see how that goes. But as you can see, we are almost ready to dock. So not quite. It is day 4. We are arriving in San Juan, Puerto Rico. And we have much better weather today than yesterday, so that's already a good sign. I'm actually on the jogging track at the moment, but I'm getting ready to go to breakfast.
Life has been crazy, just wanna be okay. How can I pick up the pieces when everything breaks with every day? I'm getting older, I feel the weight up on my shoulders. I'm strong enough, I'll rise above. It's all gonna be okay. If I can be anything, I think I'm gonna be me.
Hey you guys, I took my time getting off the ship today, and I was supposed to head to my meeting point for my excursion, and I'm like 2 minutes away. Y'all know how I am with directions and stuff. I'm trying to make sure I don't have like a specific zone where I'm supposed to be meeting. I guess I'm supposed to go over here. I'm not for sure.
I know you want me, you know I want to. I know you want me, you know I want to. I know you want me, you know I want to. I know you want me, you know I want to. Want me, you know I want to. I know you want me, you know I want to. I know you want me, you know I want to. I know you want me, you know I want to. I know you want me, you know I want to. I know you want me.
We made it after miles and miles and miles of walking.
2.72 miles.
We are Tainos, we are Spaniards, and we are Africans. That's why you're going around and you see us all different colors, different hair, different eyes. We're one big happy family, okay? So, how can we get
street. I think it's about to start raining again. Lord knows I don't want to get caught in the rain. Thank you.
We will have a lucky draw and 3 very lucky stage contestants will get a chance to spin the wheel, buy a vowel or pick a consonant in and build up that dollar amount. Let's go for it, spinning that wheel. No, no, no.